Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So, spoiler alert, Apple's going up. Looked at my technical indicator video, and looks like Apple's going to be going up this week. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell a straddle or a strangle in this Apple, just to get some premium in my account, make some cash, and hopefully get out of margin trouble. We'll see how that works out. Here are the options for a couple weeks out, October 29th, not too far away, and still making some pretty good premium here. So I'm going to do 144 and 145. Now, there's a likelihood that the stock will get called out, but yeah, that's okay. We'll just sell another put next week, or right after this. So let's see what kind of premium we get here. All right, so in this account, I will make about $650. Pretty decent for this amount of premium for a couple weeks. Let's calculate the AAPL. So I'm going to make about 4% on this trade in this couple weeks, so that's pretty good. Can't beat that. And it gives me an AAPL of like 100% or something, which is pretty insane. Because I'm doing both sides, I'm doing a strangle instead of just a put or a call. So a little more risk involved, but you can't lose on both sides, so let's take a look how we're going to do here. Let's look at the break-evens. Max profit, $653. That's pretty good for a day's work. Break-evens at $137.47 on the bottom side, and on the top side, $151.53. So hasn't really gone much above 150, so I feel pretty safe, and 140-ish is a pretty good price. So I feel pretty good about this trade. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Making this happen. Alright guys, so I had to go down a little bit. I finally filled at $651, still a good price. Let's go take a look at the position. Alright guys, here we go. Here's the Apple. I got a call at 145 and a put at 144. A little tight, but it's okay. If I get called out, it'll be okay. I have plenty of room to make profit. Like I said before, the break-even is like 151 and change, so I feel good and confident about that. And on the bottom side, I also feel good because you can't lose on both sides typically. So you can go, the break-even's down below 140, so that's a good price. So I like it. All right, guys, be sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more options trades ideas, and more wealth building techniques. Thanks for watching.